I'm Bill Kesterkey with Key Exteriors. We're standing in front of the winner of the $50,000 home makeover contest from 2016 Victoria Miller on Ordway Drive here in the Georgetown area of Fort Wayne. One of the concepts we use when it comes to the design is we always ask ourselves the question, is anything going to stay? Now in this particular case with the Victoria Miller home, she had put a new roof on the previous year and replaced the windows. So when we decided to start figuring out what we wanted to do, we wanted to complement the roof and the windows. Also as well, they wanted to keep the brick. So what we did was we picked out a siding color that would complement the brick and the roof. And we actually brought a designer in, Katie Hartzog of Hartzog Design, and she helped pick the colors out. It's one of the things we offer as a value-added service to our customers. You'll also notice as well, we decided to make the trim white. By making the trim white, it really made it pop out. We went with a little bit darker shutter to make that stand out once again from the siding. We brought everything together. We made the door black with white trim, and we also changed the sconce right next to the door to have it match the hardware of the door and the caming of the side light. And that's like in a satin nickel. So we brought everything together, all part of the process. You can see that the finished product looks far better than the original. If you'd like to find out more about this process, you can call us at 492-8062 or go to our website, www.keyexteriors.com. You can also just go there and sign up for the $50,000 makeover, whatever suits you best. Or visit us at 821 West Coliseum Boulevard, just west of Chuck E. Cheese.